Hello everyone, I'm your host Sylvia and welcome to my channel Learn for Fun. So today I'm going to be making this super yummy peanut chutney or shingdana chutney. It's mainly a side dish which you can have along with your rice and dal or chapati, and it's like a side dish, like a pickle. So let's get started. For this we need 1 cup of peanuts, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, red chili powder and salt. Just 4 basic ingredients. First, just dry roast the peanuts till they are crunchy. We don't want the raw flavor. And then once they are cooled down, just grind them into a coarse texture, something like this. Ensure that you keep a handful of peanuts aside because we need them while grinding the garlic. So add the garlic and to it add the handful roasted peanuts, the chili powder and the salt, and just grind it. So this is how it will look. It's a coarse mixture. So the next step would be to combine both the dry mixture and the garlic mixture. Mix it thoroughly till it combines well. After mixing thoroughly, this is how it looks. It's fairly dry, it's not at all sticky. So there you have it, the recipe for the peanut chutney, or the shingdana chutney as we call it in Marathi, is ready. You can store it in a jar or a bottle, glass bottle, and enjoy it for about 2 to 3 weeks. So I hope you like this recipe. Do give it a try, and if you have any other way of preparing the peanut chutney or the shingdana chutney, do share it in the comments below. Let me know how you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell icon for the notifications. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, happy learning, happy cooking.